Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the concat operator. That means not about the concat operator. The difference between the concat, concat-all and the concat map operator. In the previous video, we have seen about the difference between merge, merge-all and merge map operator, right? So now the same behavior it will be having. So the same way it will be working concat, concat-all and concat map. But there will be a little bit of difference between the merge and this merge set of operators and this concat set of operators. So you'll be having little bit of difference. The merge operators, this merge set of category operators, what it will try to do is whatever the observables that are sent to the merge operator, or whether it may be merge, merge map or merge all, so whatever the observables sent into this merge operators, it will subscribe to all the observables at a time, and whoever emits the value, it will immediately send it to the output observable. So whatever the observable may be, whatever the sequence may be, so if the third observable has sent the value, means it will be sent to the output observable directly. So that means whatever the value it is emitted, it will be sent. That's it. So it will not consider anything. So it is the first observable or not, or it is the last observable, it will not consider anything. Just it will send whatever the observable it emits the value, means it will send it to the output observable. Whereas this concat operators, concat set of category operators, what it will try to do is, when you pass a set of observables to this concat set of operators, first it will take the first observable and it will emit all the values that has been emitted by the first observable, and when it is completed, then only it will switch back to the second observable. Then it will emit all the values that are being emitted by the second observable. When it is second observable is completed, then it will go to the third observable. Like this, so on, it will go and execute one by one sequentially in order. So that is the difference between the concat and the merge set of operators. If you try to see here, the concat representation represents the same how you will be implementing the merge function, right? In the same scenario, you will be using this concat also. Whereas the merge, it will subscribe to all the observables at a time and it will send the values. Whereas this concat, it will subscribe to one observable, first observable. After completion of this observable, it will subscribe to the second one. So like this, it will go on. So creates an output observable which sequentially emits all values. Sequentially means one by one it emits all the values from the given observable and then moves on to the next. So that is the meaning of that one, what I have explained. So first observable it will execute and it will move to the next observable, like that it will go on, moves to the next observable. So this is about the concat operator. Whereas this concat-all operator behaves in the same way. So you have an observable, so that observable creates another observable, okay, higher order observable. So now when you want to subscribe to this, when you have sent these all higher order observables to the concat-all one by one, so one by one it will be executed. So here these are all the set of observables in the marble diagram, try to see, and these are all concat-all. If they pass it to the concat-all, means one by one it will execute, one observable after the another observable it will be executing. So one by one, this one also. So whereas this concat map also in the same behavior it will execute. So let's try to see the practical implementation of this concat operators. Now if you go here, now what I will try to do is same, I will try to create the concat component, okay, and here let's go to this app component, and here I will try to add concat. So here concat, concat-all and concat map, right? So these are the three types set of operators. Now let's go to here. So it is created. Now let's go here down. Where is this one? Yeah, here it will. Let's go here down. Here I will be writing concat, and here we will be using concat component, right? So don't get confused with the name. So just I have created for the time sake. So let's try to see the meaning. So let's try to understand the concept of these three operators. So now let's go to the concat component, and here same how the merge map will be, same scenario I will be using merge component.ts. Yeah, here let's try to copy these all things at a time, okay. So the same thing you will be able to see, and here I will try to show you, okay. Now let's try to import these all the interval. So let's try to import this interval. Let's try to import this map. Let's try to import this take. That's it, I think so. Let's try to remove this one, okay. I am commenting out this one all. Now first I will take this merge, not merge, actually we need to convert into a concat, okay, concat. Now what the thing it will happen is, So first it will execute all the values that are coming from the source 1. Then when it is completed, then it will go to the source 2. Let's try to see the output here. So here we are having RxJS, and let's try to click on this concat map. This is all difference, and here if you try to see source 1, whatever the values that are coming from the source 1, it is executing everything, then it is moving on to the source 2. So this is about the concat. So when first observable is completed, then only it will go to the second observable. So for example, if I have written the second observable in the first, what will happen? So first it will execute the source 2, then it will go to the source 1. Same thing. So one by one, it will go on the one by one sequential basis. So if you try to see here, source 2 executing first, then afterwards it is going to the source 1. Whereas the merge operator, what it will try to do? So source 1 and source 2, so combination, combinedly it will emit the data. Why? Because so whoever the value emits first, it will just throw it to the output observable. Now here let's try to see the concat all. Same thing, the same thing you will be able to see. So here if I use this concat all, okay, now source 1 is each value that is coming from the source 1 is creating a new observable source 2, and we are passing it to concat all. So now source 2, it will execute each time one by one, source 2 0 1 2, and again source 2 0 1 2, so on it will go on executing up to 5 times. So this is about the concat all operator. Okay, this is about the concat all operator. Now what we will try to see about this concat map operator. So let's comment out this one. So now what will happen, this concat map operator? So the same thing. So what I can say is combination of map and the concat all is nothing but the concat map operator. So the output will be the one and the same only. So instead of using this two operators at a time, we can use this one operator. So the combination of both map and concat all is nothing but result is the concat map. So you can use both the operators like this, or otherwise you can use only the concat map operator like this. So then also the output will be the one and the same only. You will be able to see the output one and the same. So here see, you will be able to see the one and the same. So this is all about the concat, what I can say. So now if you try to see here, I will show you. Merge means, if you go to the merge map, see the combination it will try to execute. So one by one, so zigzag, it will be, whoever emitting first, it will trying to emit the data. Whereas the concat map means, so it will execute one by one, 2 1 and 2 2, again 2 0 2 1 2 2, 2 0 2 1 2 2, like this it will go on execute 5 times, I think. Okay, so this is about the, what I can say about the concat, concat all and concat map, and merge all and merge map. So this is the main difference between those two. Now in the next video we will try to learn about the merge map, concat map, switch map, exhaust map. So we will try to learn the difference between those 4 operators, and we will close this RxJS session. So hope you understood about this concat operator, set of operators. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.